shocking recipe. You can't imagine how it's made. In a container, add 500 grams of wet flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, 10 grams dry yeast for bread and mix well. After mixing, add 2 tablespoons of butter and now with your hands, mix until the butter is completely dissolved. After that, add 350 ml of milk. The milk is at room temperature. Now, mix until it's a very consistent dough. This is the sweet spot. And now we are going to take this dough to a countertop to knead for about 2 minutes or until the dough is really loose. It will stay that way. And now just take this dough, put in a container and let the dough rest for 30 minutes. Cover the container with plastic or a cloth. The dough has already doubled in size. And now just take it back to the countertop to roll it into a roll like this. Let's divide the dough into equal parts, 2-3 fingers apart. Take a portion of this dough and begin to knead inwards until it forms a ball. On a piece of parchment paper or on the countertop with a little flour so it doesn't stick. Take a glass and place the bottom of it in the middle of the dough, pressing well, and with a knife make equal cuts, 1 finger apart. Just repeat the process with the rest of the dough. Finish cutting. Now just squeeze the ends of this part of the dough. Remove the cup from the dough and look how beautiful it looks. Fry on medium temperature. I advise you to fry 2 or 3 units at a time. When browned on one side, turn to brown the other side. Our recipe here is ready. Now, just remove it from the pan and let the oil drain. It can be on a paper towel or another container. It's ready. You can enjoy it now. Besides being beautiful, it's very tasty. I hope you enjoyed. Do it at your home. I'm sure that everyone will love it. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.